Hi kids! It's me, your teacher Ian. At nandito si teacher para tulungan kayo sa pagsasagot ng mga activities at mas maunawaan mo pa ang aralin dito sa Mathematics 4. Ito ang ika-4 na linggo ng third quarter. 4B dahil ito yung ikalawang topic para sa ating week 4. Welcome to the class! Before we begin our class, make sure that you have your notebook, pen, and module in math. For our objective, at the end of the lesson, you are expected to change fraction to lowest term. We will be discussing about changing fraction to lowest term. Okay. For this lesson, kailangan natin balikan yung GCF, the greatest common factor, the largest among the factors of the given number. Bakit? Kasi gagamitin natin ito para doon sa paglo-lowest term ng number. Paano? Let's see. Yan, gagamitin natin yung GCF. As you can see here, hindi to fraction. 8 and 12 are whole numbers. Papakita ko lang kung paano ginagamit yung GCF para ma-lowest term yung fraction. Yan, kunin na muna natin yung, what's this? Kunin na muna natin yung GCF. Ayan. Yung three ways natin, we have the factor tree, we have the listing method, at saka yung continuous division. Ang gagawin ko ay factor tree. Okay? Sige. Para kunin natin yung GCF. Okay. Isa lang, ano? Okay. We have 2, tapos 4. For 4, 2, and 2. Next, para sa 12. 3 and 4. 3 times 4, tapos 2 times 2. Now, tingnan natin. Ilista natin yung sa 8. We have 2 times 2 times 2. Para naman dun sa 12, 2 times 2 times 3. O, nasan na yung common nila? Hindi na magkapareho itong 2 tapos 2. So, we bring down 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So, this is the that is the GCF. 4 na ha. Greatest common factor ay 4. Now, let us use the listing method. Kung sa tingin nyo, yun yung mas madali. Okay? Burahin ko lang to. Pero, hindi ko na buburahin itong sinulat ko dito sa gitna. Okay? Yan. Sige, listing method tayo. 1 times 8. Tapos, 2 times 4. Wala na. Meron pa ba? Wala na. Okay, next. 1 times 12. 2 times 6. 3 times 4. Wala na. Tingnan natin. Ito sa 8, meron tayong 1, 2, 4, and 8 as factors. And for 12, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Now, alin dito ang pareho? Pareho, pero yung pinakamalaki. Pareho sila na may 1, may 2, pares may 4, pero ang pinakamalaki ay itong 4. Just the same, using the listing method and the factor tree. Yung continuous division, hindi ko napakita. Ano na to? Okay na, kota na tayo. Parehas naman na lumabas, 4. Now, paano ginagamit yung 4 para ma-lowest term? Ito yon. Gagamitin na natin ngayon yung 8 and 12 as fraction. So, 8 over 12. Para ipakita yung illustration, as you can see, yung shaded part, ayan, that is the number, the numerator. Tapos, the rest of the portions, kung ilan yung number of portions here, that is the denominator. Kung ilan yung pagkakahati. Now, para sa inyong GCF, that this fraction can be divided by 4. Yan. Ba't dito? Ulit. Yan. Pwede kasi ito ang i-divide pa by 4. Yan. Pareho, ha? Not just one. pareho na itong 8 at saka itong 12 can be divided by 4. That is the GCF. Diba? Kinuha natin kanina yung GCF. Now, what will be the answer for this? 8 divided by 4, the answer is 2. Tapos, 12 divided by 4, the answer is 3. Now, masasabi natin na itong 8 over 12 is the same as 2 over 3 or 2/3. Dito sa illustration, makikita nyo, pareho lang, ganito lang din kalaki, pero yung pagkakahati, 3 lang. Here. Diba? 3 lang hinati, tapos 2 yung may shade, pero parehas lang ito, yung sukat niyan at ito. Just to show you na yung 8 over 12 is the same as 2/3. Naintindihan? Kaya nilo-lowest term. Kasi pareho lang yun. Kumbaga, pinadami lang yung pagkakahati-hati dito. Pero pareho lang yan ng 2/3. Naintindihan? Sige, let us have another example. Sabihin natin, we have 21 over 35. First, we get the GCF. Para ma-lowest term natin yung 21 over 35, get the GCF. Dito ko na lang susulit sa may taas ha. At liliitan ko lang medyo. Okay? First, yung 21 natin, using the factor 3. We have the 3 times 7. Tapos na. Tama ba? Oo, kasi prime numbers na yan, 3 at saka 7. Next, 35. Okay? We have here, for 3 times 5 is 5 times 7. Wala na. Diba? Ano na yung common sila? 7, 7. Wala na. Diba? Yun lang. 7. Tapos na. Nakuha na natin ang GCF. Then we divide 21 and 35 by 7. We will get 21 divided by 7. The answer is 3. And 35 divided by 7 is 5. Meaning, itong 21 over 35 is just the same with 3/5. Ganun lang kasimple ang paglo-lowest term. Get the GCF, divide the numerator and the denominator by the GCF, and you will get the lowest term. Gets? Let us have another example. 7, teka, lakayan ko lang. 7 over 23. Get the GCF. Litan ko lang yun. Dito na lang sa taas ha. 7 tapos 23. 7 is a prime number. Kaya 1 and 7 na lang yan. Tapos 23 is also a prime number pala to. Kaya naman, we can say that 7 over 23 is already in its lowest term. So, yan. Nabigay ko pala lowest term na. Next. Last na to ha. Last one. 24 over 56. Let us get the GCF of this. Binara ko lang. Dito na lang ha. 24 by means of factor 3. 2 times 12. Then for 12, we have... Tama ba? 2 times 12? Tama. We have 3 times 4. Itong 4 pwede pa. 2 times 2. Bilugan ko lang yung mga factors na to. Factors. Tama. Hindi pala factors. Prime factors. Yan. Bilugan ko lang yung mga prime factors. Then, we get the prime factors of 56. Okay. Anyway, yung nga palang by listing method, those are factors, not prime, ha? Not prime factors, but factors by listing method. 56 is 28. Then we'll have 7 times 4. Then 2 times 2. Yan, lista natin. Bilugan natin to. Yan, 7, 2, 2. So, sulat natin dito sa baba. We have 2, 2. Parang ang haba ng proseso, no, kids? But you have to do this. 2, 2, and 7. So, mga common natin dito ay 2, 2, and this one. Meaning, 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. Our our GCF is 8. Kaya naman, i-divide natin ngayon ito by 8. Ang 24 by 8, then by 8. We will get 24 divided by 8 is 3, and 56 divided by 8 is 7. So, this is the simplest form of 24 over 56. So, ganun lang kasimple. Now, kung itong pagkuha by means of factor 3 method ay kayo ay natatagalan or nahahabaan, you can use naman the listing method. Sige, gawin natin yung listing method. Kung dun kayo mas nadadalian. Kasi kapag dun sa listing method, makikita nyo na agad yung greatest common factor. Para yung by listing method. Sige, list ko lang ha. Sa 24, hindi ko na isusulat yung 1 ha. Dun agad tayo sa 2. 2 times 12 is 24. Then, 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. 5, wala na. Okay? Ending na tayo dito or end na tayo dito. Then, dito tayo sa kabila. Pwede ito 2 times 28. Ano pa? Sa 3. Pwede ba ito sa 3? Hindi pwede. Cannot be divided by 3. Pwede ba sa 4? Yes, pwede sa 4. 4 times, 10. Pwede sa, ayan. 4 times 14. Pwede ba sa 5? Hindi. Pwede ba to sa 6? Hindi din. Pwede sa 7? Pwede sa 7? Yes, 7 times 8. Wala na, end na tayo doon kasi 7, 8, 9. O ito, babalik na rin naman eh. 'Di ba? Parang ganito lang yun. O, wala na. Ito na lang yun para sa 56. Tapos, hanapin na natin ang greatest common factor. Ayun. Yan ang pareho nila na pinakamalaki. Pareho sila sa 2, pareho sila sa 4, pero ang pinakamalaki ay 8. So, ito na yun, 8. Kayo naman ang bahala kung gusto nyo gamitin yung listing method or the factor tree, kung saan kayo mas dadalian. Basta mag-arrive tayo sa parehong sagot, that's it. Okay? Learning task 1, change the following fractions into its lowest term. Write your answer in your notebook. O, yan, mag-ano na kayo ha, get the lowest term. Number 1, 9 over 12. Again, get the GCF. Okay? Tapos, saka mo i-divide yan para ma-lowest term mo. Ayan, pakita ko na lahat. Okay? Learning task 2. Put a check if the fraction is already in its simplest form and put an X if not. Do this in your notebook. Sa pagkuha yun ng GCF, kapag wala silang common, kapag wala silang common factors, ibig sabihin, hindi na yung pwedeng, hindi na masisimplify. Ganun lang. Kapag wala silang common factors, kapag kinuha mo yung by listing method, walang pareho, hindi malo-lowest term. Ayan, pakita ko na yung mga given. Okay. Learning task 3, express the given fraction in its simplest form or lowest term. Write your answer in your notebook. Bakit GCF ang kinukuha? Teacher, pwede naman yung common factors. Kasi nga, lowest, pinakamababa na. No? Pinakamababa. Kasi pwede mong gamitin yung common factors. Kaya lang, kapag GCF na kasi, ang ginamit mong divisor para dun sa numerator and the denominator, ang sagot nun, lowest term. O, diba? And that is our lesson. Yan, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again, get the GCF, divide the numerator and the denominator by the GCF, and you will get the lowest term. Learning task 4. Select the fractions that are already in its simplest form. Do this in your notebook. Dito naman, ay hahanapin mo dito, alin dito ang naka-simplest form na. Oh, yun lang ang isusulat mo sa notebook. Kapag hindi simplest form, hindi naka-lowest term, hindi yun isasagot or hindi yun pipiliin. Yan, show ko na lahat ng given. Okay? Okay. Ito kasama pa din sa learning task 4. So, ayan. Dami yung pagpipilian pa. Okay? To simplify fractions or change fractions into lowest form, divide both numerator and denominator by their greatest common factor or the GCF. When the GCF of both numerator and denominator is 1, the fraction is in lowest term. So, ayun, yung sinabi ko kanina, na kapag wala naman silang common factor aside from 1, then yun na yung lowest term nito. Ibig sabihin, hindi na mapapababa pa. Learning task 5. Express the following fractions in lowest term. Do this in your notebook. Just the same, kids. You have to get the GCF, then divide both numerator and the denominator by the GCF. Yan. Labas ko na lang yung mga given. And that's it. Thank you for watching, kids. Good luck sa inyong pagsasagot. See you on my next video. Goodbye!